mains topics and subjects. We should be focusing on answer writing, because answer writing has two parts, content and skill. Content, slowly it will come, but skill we can learn anytime. So it is like learning carpentry. You don't know how to make that particular level of table, but at least you should know how to run a chisel, how to use a hammer. So these are the basic skills. So our skills should be honed here, like skills like speed, collection of content, also a little bit, articulation, because many times have you seen that you read something, you think something else, then when you are writing it, you are writing something else, and when you read it again, you find you have written something else. So this connection between what you read, what you understand, what you write, and whatever you have written is understandable in the same sense. This also takes time. This is a skill. जो सोच रहे हैं वही लिख दें. दिमाग में बहुत परफेक्ट बातें चलती हैं, but the moment you try to write it, what happens? Loss of words, sentence formation is not good, you don't know how to write it. All of these are mental blockages because we don't know answer writing as such. We haven't written for a long time. So we will work on our articulation, we will work on our vocabulary, we will work on our presentation. And the meantime, content, of course, whatever topics we are reading, we will use the content. So November 15, answer writing plus mains topics, and those topics of mains which are also included in prelims, like economy, polity, history, environment, all of these you will also read NCERTs. Try to quickly go through it. So mains, topics, NCERTs we have to integrate with it, because you are already reading the foundation, so you don't have to mug up the NCERTs. You can take what is relevant and put it in your summary books or with your foundation notes. Integrate everything in one. So when your history gets completed, there should be one history notebook which should include everything. If you have to add information, add it in that. Note it down and add it. Note it down and add it. Don't keep your resources or sources distributed. कुछ यहाँ से पढ़ लिया, कुछ वहाँ से पढ़ लिया, कुछ वहाँ से पढ़ लिया. Because what happens? Because our mind is pictographic memory. We will discuss one day how to memorize what is pictographic memory. We will do it. But can you understand this? Till November, mains should be under control. Few subjects like internal security, IR, they are very limited in scope. These subjects you can do it at the mains time also, or whatever it is. Depending on few topics will be left which we can cover in mains. Time वाला जो mains, prelims और mains के बीच का time. If it is our daily schedule, one understanding is GS, optional, essay. Marks are 250, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour. Clear? This time frame you understand? If someday you have less hours to devote, then half an hour. Cost benefit analysis.